Haida Gwaii, let's go.
Good evening, off to Haida Gwaii. I've never seen anyone so excited as you.
We're going exploring, back roads.
I would give myself an 11 out of 10 on excitement.
Get bushy. Woo! We made it. There's nobody here. It's unreal.
We're looking for golden chanterelles. They come out in the fall.
Frankie always finds the first mushroom, always.
They're hiding in the moss.
They're just meaty.
They're really nice.
Little dirt never hurt. Whoa.
Yeah.
That is a beauty.
I picked so many that I had to stop.
Nice. What time is it?
It's 5:32.
Coffee first, then go fishing. Fish on!
Oh, keep reeling.
That's awesome. Hey!
Lift it up. Lift it up.
I feel pretty good. Look how thick that thing is. Rained all night. I think it's gonna rain all day.
Got a slug in the cast iron here.
Frankie said your tongue goes numb when you lick them.
Come on.
Speed.
Yep. It actually is less rainy out here.
Weather can't be perfect all the time. I mean, we're lucky enough to be up here.
Let's get out of here. That is good. Oh my god.
I can't believe we caught the salmon and now we're eating it. Nice trailer. Can I get a ride?
Yeah, jump in. Feel the rhythm. Yeah, it's not live more later.
It's more right now.
Yeah.
Right.
Right on.